Lionel Messi was born in Rosario, Argentina on June 24th, 1987. He was a small baby and later a small boy, but he had a big dream. He wanted to play football. In Argentina, football is very popular. Messi loved football. He played every day, in the house, in the street, and at school. He played with his brothers, cousins, and friends. He always had a ball with him. At age 5, he joined his first team, Grandoli. His father was the coach. Messi was small and quiet, but very good. He ran fast and moved the ball like magic. People said, "Wow, he is so good." Messi was not tall. He didn't talk much, but with a football, he was happy. He smiled, laughed, and played with heart. At age 8, he joined Newell's Old Boys, a better team in his city. He scored many goals. More people came to watch. They said, "This boy is special." Then came sad news. A doctor said Messi's body was not growing properly. He needed expensive medicine. But his family didn't have the money. Messi was sad, but his family didn't give up. They said, he must play football. They asked for help in Argentina, but no one could pay. Then something amazing happened. FC Barcelona, a big club in Spain, heard about Messi. A coach came to watch him. After just a few minutes, he said, "Yes, we want him." Barcelona said, "Come to Spain. We will help your family. We will pay for the medicine. Messi can train with our team." Messi's family was surprised but happy. It was a big move. They had to leave their home, but they believed in Messi. At 13 years old, Messi moved to Spain. Life was new and different. He missed Argentina, but he still had football, and that gave him hope. Lionel Messi was now living in Spain. He was just 13 years old. He left Argentina to follow his dream, to become a professional football player. In Spain, Messi joined La Masia, the youth academy of FC Barcelona. Many great players trained there. The coaches were good, and the players worked hard every day. At first, life was hard. Messi was shy. He spoke only Spanish with an Argentine accent. He missed his country, his friends, and his grandmother, who was very special to him. But Messi had one best friend: the football. Every day, he trained hard. He ran, passed, and kicked the ball for hours. He gave his best. His feet were fast, his moves were clever. He looked small, but he played big. The coaches were amazed. They said, "He is not tall. He is quiet. But with the ball, he is a genius." Messi kept improving. He played games with other boys, scored goals, and helped his team win. Other players said, "Wow, Messi is amazing." But Messi stayed humble. He listened, respected others, and only wanted to play football. He also continued his medical treatment. Barcelona paid for it. Slowly, Messi grew stronger and more confident. He moved up to better teams, under 15, then under 17, then under 19. He played with older boys, but he was still the best. People started saying, "Messi is ready. He can play with the pros." In 2004, at just 17 years old, Messi was called to the first team, the main team of FC Barcelona. He wore the Barcelona jersey for the first time. It was a dream come true. The stadium was big. The lights were bright. Messi looked small next to the older players, but once the game started, he showed his talent. He dribbled, passed, and played without fear. Soon, he scored his first goal. He became the youngest player in Barcelona's history to score. The crowd cheered. His teammates hugged him. Everyone said, "This boy is a star." Messi smiled, but he said, "I just want to play football. I want to enjoy the game." And that's what he did. Lionel Messi was now playing for FC Barcelona's first team. He was only 17 years old, but already on the field with some of the world's best players. His teammates included stars like Ronaldinho, Xavi, and Iniesta. They were fast, strong, and smart, but Messi wasn't afraid. He learned from them and played with heart. Ronaldinho, a famous Brazilian, was kind to Messi. He supported him and said, "This boy is special." He passed Messi the ball and celebrated his goals. Fans quickly fell in love with Messi. His speed, control, and clever moves amazed them. When he ran, the ball stayed close to his feet. He passed defenders easily and scored often. People said, "He moves like a dancer. He plays like magic." In 2005, Messi became more famous. He played in La Liga, Spain's top league. He scored goals and made great assists, helping Barcelona win. In 2006, he won his first big trophy, the Champions League, Europe's top club title. He was still very young, but already a champion. Each year, Messi got better. He trained daily. He stayed humble. He never showed off. He said, "I just want to help my team." He broke records, most goals and assists by a young player. He became the team's most important player. In 2009, something amazing happened. Messi and Barcelona won 6 trophies in one year, something no team had done before. That year, Messi also won his first Ballon d'Or, the award for the best player in the world. He said, "This award is for the team. I can't do it alone." Fans loved him more. He wasn't just the best, he was also kind. Over the next years, Messi kept scoring. He often scored 3 goals in one game, a hat trick, and sometimes 4 or 5. In 2012, Messi scored 91 goals in one year, more than any player in history. People said, "Messi is not human. He is a football machine." But Messi stayed the same. He said, "I don't think about records. I think about the team." Lionel Messi was a big star at FC Barcelona, winning many trophies and breaking records. But he also wanted to help his home country, Argentina. He played his first game for Argentina in 2005. He was proud to wear the blue and white shirt. But the match ended badly. He got a red card after just a few minutes. Messi was sad but said, "I will come back." Over the years, Messi played in many big tournaments: the World Cup, the Copa America, the Olympic Games. He wanted to win a major trophy for Argentina, but it was difficult. In the 2006 World Cup, he was young but played well. Argentina lost in the quarterfinals. In 2008, he played in the Olympics in Beijing. Argentina won the gold medal. Messi smiled with pride. But he still hadn't won the biggest prizes, the World Cup or the Copa America. In 2010 and 2014, Argentina tried again in the World Cup. In 2014, they reached the final. Messi played with passion and the whole country cheered, but in extra time, Germany scored. Argentina lost. Messi was heartbroken. He won the best player of the tournament, but he didn't smile. He said, "I wanted the trophy for my country." In 2015 and 2016, Argentina reached the Copa America finals but lost both times. Messi even missed a penalty. He was so sad he said, "Maybe I will quit the national team." Some fans criticized him. "He wins with Barcelona, but not with us." That hurt, but many fans still supported him. Messi didn't give up. He returned saying, "I want to win for Argentina." Then came 2021. Argentina played in the Copa America in Brazil. Messi was the captain. He gave great passes and scored beautiful goals. In the final, Argentina played Brazil, their biggest rivals. It was a tough match. Argentina scored 1 goal and defended well. Argentina won. Messi dropped to the ground in happy tears. His teammates lifted him up, shouting, "Messi! Messi!" The people of Argentina danced and sang. They said, "You did it, Leo." After winning the Copa America in 2021, Lionel Messi was very happy. He finally gave Argentina a big trophy. But he had one more dream: to win the FIFA World Cup. The World Cup is the biggest football tournament in the world. It happens every 4 years. Messi, now 35 years old, had already played in 4 World Cups. People said this is his last chance. He wanted to win for his country, his fans, and his family. The tournament was held in Qatar in 2022. Argentina's first game was a shock. They lost to Saudi Arabia. Fans were worried, but Messi stayed calm. He said, "We won't give up." Argentina played better in the next games. They beat Mexico, Poland, and Australia. Messi led the team with skill and heart. He scored goals, gave assists, and gave hope. In the quarterfinals, Argentina played the Netherlands. It was a tough game and went to penalties. Messi scored and Argentina won. Next was the semifinal against Croatia. Messi played brilliantly, helping the team win 3-0. Argentina reached the final. The final was against France, the 2018 champions. It was full of action. Messi scored. Argentina was winning, but France came back. The score was 3-3 after extra time. It went to penalties. Messi scored the first. His teammates followed. The goalkeeper made a key save. Argentina won. Players cried with joy. Messi stood in the middle of the field, tears in his eyes. He had done it. Messi was now a world champion. He lifted the World Cup trophy high. Fans screamed his name, "Messi! Messi!" People said, "Now he's not just the best, he's the greatest of all time." Messi smiled, kissed the trophy, and took photos with his wife and children. In Argentina, millions danced, sang, and cried happy tears. Messi said, "This is the happiest moment of my life. I thank my family, my team, and all of Argentina." Now his story was complete. Success at Barcelona, success with Argentina, and a World Cup. But Messi's journey wasn't over yet. After winning the World Cup in 2022, Lionel Messi's life changed, but he stayed the same person. People called him the GOAT, the greatest of all time. He had won with Barcelona, with Argentina, and now the biggest trophy of all. But Messi didn't act like a superstar. He stayed quiet, kind, and humble. He smiled in interviews and said, "I'm just a boy who loves football." After the World Cup, Messi continued playing for Paris Saint-Germain, PSG, where he had joined in 2021. He played with stars like Neymar and Mbappé and helped PSG win the French league. In 2023, Messi made a surprise move. He joined Inter Miami in the United States. Fans were thrilled. Stadiums were full. Tickets sold fast. Children wore pink shirts with his name. Messi brought his football magic to America. He scored goals, gave assists, and helped his team win. Many people started watching football just because of him. He moved with his family and his wife Antonella and their 3 sons, Tiago, Matteo, and Ciro. Messi often shares photos and says, "They are my biggest joy." Sometimes his kids come to games. They cheer when he scores and run to him after matches. Messi says, "Now I play for them too." Even after so many years, Messi still plays with passion. He runs fast, passes with care, and celebrates with joy. He always gives his best. People ask, when will he stop? Messi says, "As long as I feel good, I'll keep playing." He also helps others. Through his charity, he supports sick children and families in need. He visits hospitals and spreads joy. Once he gave a special ball to a blind child. The boy smiled and said, Thank you, Messi. Fans love him, not just for his talent, but for his heart. Today, Messi is more than a football player. He is a symbol of hope. He shows that a small boy from Rosario can become a legend. He teaches us, work hard, be kind, never stop dreaming. Messi's story is about more than football. It's about family, love, and never giving up. From a street in Argentina to the world stage, Messi is a hero to millions. And his journey still continues, with every match, every goal, and every smile.